Equipment Technologies Global Electronics Specialists, providing productivity-enhancing solutions for the global surface mount electronic assembly sectors. One-stop solutions for all your SMT needs. Equipment are glad to announce that we launched new age solder paste FIFO management system with MES enabled. Now you can track, backtrace and control solder paste.
Key features. Every slot can perform individually based on time or temperature or both parameter. Process completion can be identified with buzzer and can be reset when alarm continuously. Solder jar or cartridge can be accommodate in same slots. Users can define time and temperature for individual slots. Export slot history data in text format. MES with barcode scanner, optional.
Lock and unlocking of slots will follow the FIFO systematically. Thawing process data will be printed on adhesive label. Export process data in text format for every slots. As optional, we provided communication to MES using file generated through FTP protocol. Processing data will check from anywhere using dedicated FTP protocol. Log in through FTP to view previous history. For product and sales inquiry, please get in touch with us. For more updates, visit and follow Equipment Technologies LinkedIn page.